Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming reality. The iPhone XS does not have a 5G cellular radio, so you cannot natively join a 5G mobile network. Once done, call or check your carrier's coverage map and plan options to verify 5G service in your area. Make a quick decision. Use a separate 5G mobile hotspot, tether through a 5G-capable phone, or plan an upgrade to a 5G iPhone. This saves wasted steps and gets you to the workable solution immediately. Now you configure the 5G source, power on the 5G phone or hotspot, enable mobile data and 5G mode in its settings, then turn on the personal hotspot feature. Make sure the hotspot broadcasts on the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if available for better speed and less interference. Set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2/WPA3 password. Then verify the carrier allows tethering and monitor data caps to avoid surprise charges. On your iPhone XS, open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, find the 5G hotspot SSID and enter the password to join. Once connected, test loading a web page or run a speed test to confirm real 5G throughput. If speeds are low, move closer to the hotspot or reduce obstructions. To preserve data, close background apps and disable automatic backups. If things go wrong, restart both devices, forget and rejoin the network, and verify the hotspot firmware and carrier tethering limits. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.